Hi everyone, my name is Tony Nguyen. I am the representative of Tamwood in Southeast Asia and South Asia. Tamwood is one of the most experienced private vocational colleges in Canada. We have been supporting for a number of students coming into many countries to Canada, learning about the culture, gaining experience, and changing their lives. Currently, Tamwood is offering courses in three programs: hospitality and tourism, business, and technology, in order to cover the high demand markets in Canada. After studying in Tamwood, have our students have the opportunities to study up to the public university with the transfer credit of 30 credits, which equal to 1 year of studying in Canada. Coming to Tamwood, you will receive the extensive support from our academic department, co-op department, and pathway department to ensure you are fully equipped with the knowledge, experience, and ability to work and study in Canada. Canam is one of the biggest partners in Indian markets. Having hundreds of bookings from Canam has been the big achievements from Tamwood in India. Starting cooperating from 2018, we are very satisfied for the dedication and expertise of the Canam's counselors who have been supported Tamwood students for a lot of while applying for the visa to come and study in Canada. So if you're interested in the Tamwood careers, please kindly book appointment with Tamwood International College desk number 109 through Canam Counselors to meet up with me from September 10th to the September 24th on a date and time slot convenient for you. See you there.